Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer money to Axie account. So if you also want to transfer money to Axie account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you want to transfer money to Axie account using your credit or debit card, on your mobile device, log into your bank website or open your banking app. Then you will have to identify the credit or debit card from which you would like to transfer the funds. Then locate the request money transfer button and tap on it. Your bank will display the amount you can transfer. Next, you will provide your recipient's details. Your bank will provide details on transfer fees and applicable terms and conditions. Once you accept, allow your bank time to process your request. You should receive the money in your account within 24 hours. Next, if you want to transfer via ACH direct debit, it will require you to fill a form. The data needed includes your name, account number, and routing number. Also, you must specify if your account is a business or personal. Then proceed to clarify if your transaction is credit or debit. Key in the amount you want to transfer. Lastly, provide the payment date. Allow the system to process your information. The transfer should be successful within 1 or 2 business days. So that is how you transfer money to Axie account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.